everyone, welcome to Eltete short series where we talk about how our sustainable transport packaging can make a real difference. I'm Patricia and this is Pack and Tell. Today we are going to talk about a carton pallet. And joining me is an expert who has been part of Eltete for over 10 years, working with countless customers on carton pallet projects. Let's welcome Jannina Holmström. Hello, Jannina. Welcome to Pack and Tell.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, honey. Okay, so nice to have you here.
Thank you for asking me to be here.
Okay, can you say hello to our viewers? Say a few words about yourself.
Of course. Hi, I'm Jannina. I have been working with Eltete for more than 30 years now.
So Jannina, tell us, although companies are quite familiar with the paper pallets, are they still skeptical about using them?
Yes, they still think that it's not strong enough to handle their goods.
Okay.
But they're wrong.
Okay.
It's a strong pallet.
Eltete pallets, they are engineered for light or heavy loads.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. And of course, there are different cases and needs, but Eltete experts, they work closely with customers to find the right solution.
We can make customized pallets, so everything can be according to your needs.
To the needs.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And as I said in the beginning, companies are getting familiar or already quite familiar with the paper pallets.
Yeah.
So which means that the awareness is growing, and which helps the industry move forward. Great. And most importantly, helps the planet become greener. But it's very important to pay attention to the quality of the material, isn't it?
Yes, the quality plays a key role in this. Our pallets are strong, they're durable, and they reduce the risk during the transportation.
Okay, and that makes totally sense.
Yeah.
So it helps, good quality helps the companies stay on track on their sustainable goals, because they're reducing the risks of goods damaging, of replacing packaging, and avoiding more transportation. It reduces costs and carbon emissions. Still on the topic of the quality, I was very curious about the carton pallet base, which is the honeycomb board.
Yeah.
So I took a sheet, I placed it on the floor, and I walked on it. Wow.
And as this is not a valid test, we have made of those two. So we have the numbers and figures.
So besides being light, strong, customizable, so companies can still assemble them locally.
Yes, you can have either components or ready-made pallets.
Okay.
It depends on what the customer needs.
Okay.
If they have more space, they might take the ready-made
pallets. Okay.
But if they want to save space and lower their cost by that, then they will have the components.
The components. Okay, it makes sense. And I remember now that you had a very interesting case. A customer was using this special wooden pallet.
Yeah. And
then they seek for help. How can you tell us more about the case?
Yes. So they were using this more expensive wooden pallet, and they needed something lighter, something easier to use, and lower transport cost by that.
Okay. And what did you recommend?
So we had these components.
Okay.
We had the honeycomb board and the PallRuns, and they are nowadays assembling them by themselves in their warehouse. So
should we assemble a carton pallet now ourselves?
Not?
Okay. So we need the honeycomb board and then
the PallRuns. And for the arrow size, we need 9 pieces
of the PallRuns.
Okay.
And then I remove the hot melt. I don't remove the hot melt, the silicone paper. And then I just place it like this. That's it?
That's it.
Okay. And then I keep, you can help me, Jannina, please. Feel free.
I think it looked so good that.
And it's also that by customizing the pallets, it means that the honeycomb board, the base, can be straightened, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Different thickness. Okay. The PallRuns also can be short, isn't it?
Yeah, they can be lower. They can be of 60 millimeter height.
Okay.
And in these, when we place them, it's important to remember the forklift.
Okay.
So we need to have enough space always so that they can go under it.
Okay. Okay. Then I put the last one here. Okay.
And there you have it.
That's it.
That's it.
No? And then we have a carton pallet. Okay, so and how does sustainability play a role with the carton pallet?
100% recyclable. So once you're done with it, you can just recycle it.
With any carton material?
With any.
I understand that the production emissions of the carton pallet is much lower than traditional materials as well. Okay, the numbers are playing out on the screen. Okay, very good, very good. And let's not forget that the fact that it's lightweight also reduces the transportation carbon emissions.
Yes, it does.
So that was it for today.
Thank you for having me here at Pack and Tell.
Thank you, Jannina, so much. It was great. Hope see you in other videos.
Hope so.
Okay, we will invite you.
Wait
for it.
Thank you.
And that was it for today. Thank you everyone for watching. And remember that every material has its role, but finding where a sustainable alternative fits best, it's key for society, companies, and our planet. Thank you for watching. We see you next time.